guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the this or that tag, but the beauty edition, so that way it pertains to what I'm about on this channel. So they will be broken up in different sections in different areas in beauty, and I will answer different questions within that section. So basically there will be a makeup section, a nail section, a body section, a fashion section, a hair section, and lastly a random section where I just ask random this or that's. There'll be like 5 questions in that section. Now where I got this beauty this or that is from Nikkie Tutorials. Basically all I did was Google inside the search bar beauty tags, and this came up, and I thought it would be a fun idea. I haven't seen anybody else do this tutorial. I haven't seen anybody else do this tag other than Nikkie Tutorials. So if you're interested, I will go ahead and link down below the video where she did this or that tag, and you guys can do it as well, or tell me what you think about the tag. Now the first question on here is about makeup, and the first question on here is beauty blush or bronzer. Now I would say blush because lately I've been really into blush. Before I used to think I can go without blush, but lately I've been really into blush, and it's been more so than bronzer. I used to really love bronzer. I still love bronzer, but I think more blush now. Lip gloss or lipstick. Now this is a hard one because everybody knows me and knows I love my lippies. Like I love lip gloss, lip stains, matte lip glosses, I mean anything. I really love every lip product. I really love lip products in general. But I would say right now what I'm pulling for the most is lip glosses. I love my lip glosses right now. They're everywhere. They're in the car. They're in my purse. I put them in my fiance's pocket from time to time. They're everywhere. Eyeliner or mascara. Right now, this is hard. Eyeliner or mascara? Well, you know what? I think I'm going to say mascara, but here's why. The reason why I say mascara, because if you don't have on falsies and you forget to put on mascara, you look crazy. Well, to me, I look crazy if I don't have any mascara on. I almost feel like I might as well not have even put it, especially if you do like a full, like a little bit of a glam, like a soft glam look without falsies, and then you just you forget to put on mascara, which happens a lot to me because that's the last step of my beauty routine. It's terrible. Whereas if I feel like if I have falsies on and I forget to put on a liner, it'll be fine. Or even if I don't have falsies on, I think it'll be fine if I forget to put on a liner. I mean, because a lot of the times I might have a smoked out bottom anyways. I don't think it'll kill me if I don't have a liner on. And it will definitely not kill me if I just have mascara on without the liner. So I think no liner is definitely better than no mascara. So I would definitely say I have to have my mascara. The next one is foundation or concealer. I'm definitely going to choose concealer because lately I've been doing like literally just concealer looks. Like the past few videos I didn't have any foundation on, and I just did concealer and just, you know, and concealer and highlighter, and I've been loving it. Like it's a simple, like fast, like makeup thing, and that's really been my go-to. So I'm definitely going to say concealer. I love concealer. That's the one thing I don't go without when I do my makeup is concealer. I can go without foundation, but I can't go without concealer. Neutral or color eyeshadow. I will forever be a neutral eyeshadow girl. I do try to experiment with different colors in eyeshadow just because I like eyeshadow. I'm just curious. But for the most part, if I'm doing something really quick, I'm always going to go for a neutral look. Pressed or loose eyeshadow. I'm definitely going to say pressed eyeshadows only because it's less messy and it's a little easier to handle. With loose eyeshadows, you kind of have to do like a glitter glue and kind of press it on, or like something to stick it on there, versus if you have a pressed eyeshadow, most of the time you don't have to do that. You don't have to really spray unless you feel it, deem it necessary to. But like loose powders, you definitely have to spray or put glitter glue or something down. So I think it's just easier to use pressed eyeshadow. So that's why I'm going to say pressed eyeshadows. Brushes or sponges. I'm going to say brushes only because lately I haven't been using my sponges. Sponges just kind of, I don't know. Sponges weird me out a little bit, even though I do use it sometimes with my concealer. But lately I really have not been using it for my concealer. So I'm definitely going to say brushes. Alright, our next section is nails. First one is OPI or China Glaze. I'm going to say OPI because most of the time I see OPI in the nail salon. Not that I don't see China Glaze, but most of the time it is OPI, and they have a really nice range of colors. Not to say that China Glaze doesn't, but OPI is just what I'm more familiar with. Long or short? I'm going to say long. Not so long like Shanae long off of Martin, but like long, like manageable long. I like long nails. I don't like the shorter nails, only because I do get acrylics, like I said. So long. Oh, here, acrylic or natural? I already answered that. I do prefer acrylics only because they make you, I feel like they make you look complete and with no work from me, and they don't chip because I get gel nails. So I mean, it's all around a great world with acrylic to me. Brights or darks, I don't have a preference with my nails. I am a neutral girl for as far as my facial, like my face looks and stuff, but I don't have a preference with my nails. I will go bright, I will go bright blue, I will go yellow, I will go white. It doesn't matter. Well, as far as my nails, I'm more versatile with my nails. I don't think I have a preference with brights or darks. It just depends on the day when I go to the nail salon and what I'm feeling that day, or what pictures I've seen on Instagram. Flower or no flower, I do prefer flowers. I prefer some kind of nail art on my nails, not just something plain. So if it's a flower, I do like flowers on my nails. Okay, this next section is body, and it says perfume or body splash. I prefer perfumes only because body splashes don't last long, or body sprays don't last long on me. So I like to smell my perfume all day. So yeah, definitely a perfume because they last all day. Lotion or body butter. With my skin being dry as it is on a normal basis, not because it's the winter, my skin is just dry, I will say body butter, because body butter allows me to not have to put on the lotion repeatedly throughout the day. Even though there is a lotion, the lotion by Shea Moisture that I had showed on you on my channel on the skincare video, that lotion doesn't make me have to apply it all day, but it's more like that lotion to me is like almost the thickness of a body butter, but a little bit thinner than a body butter, but basically the consistency of a body butter. Body wash or soap. I like body wash. I do not and will not use a bar of soap inside the shower. Something weirds me out about it. I just use body wash. Lush or other bath company. I don't go to either. I've actually never been to Lush. If that sounds weird to people, I've never been to Lush. The place that I did go when I used to buy those type of smelly soaps and stuff was Bath and Body Works, but I don't typically buy those scented body washes and body lotions and stuff like that. Normally I just use Dove, Shea Moisture, and Aveeno, and that's it. Like, I don't get very adventurous with my body soaps like that. I'll do it like with my perfumes before I do it with lotion or my body wash. Alright, the next section is fashion. And the first one is jeans or sweatpants. I will say jeans because I'm not a sweatpants girl. Plain as that, I'm just not a sweatpants girl. I don't wear sweatpants really outside. Every once in a while, but for the most part, I will pick up a pair of jeans before I pick up sweatpants. Long sleeve or short? I would say short only because I live in Florida and most of the time it's hot, so there's no need for long sleeve shirts. Dresses or skirts? Definitely dresses, only because they're one piece and it's easy. So one piece, that's it. That's the only reason why. Not that I don't like skirts, but I just prefer dresses. Stripes or plaids? Definitely stripes because I don't like plaid. I just don't wear plaid. It's not my thing. Flip-flops or sandals? Definitely sandals because I wear flip-flops, but I prefer sandals. I just think they look cuter. Scarves or hats? I despise hats. I don't know why. I just don't. I don't like hats at all. So I would definitely say scarf. Cowboy boots or riding boots? Neither, because I don't wear either. I don't know the difference between cowboy boots and riding boots, really. Maybe that's the problem. Jackets or hoodies? I would definitely say jackets, because I don't really wear hoodies either. I guess I'm more of a girly girl, if you guys haven't been able to tell already. Like, I don't wear hoodies really. If I wear a hoodie, it's like I said, it's just to run out the house and go to the store real quick, and it's a little chilly outside and I don't feel like looking for a jacket and there's a hoodie right there, I'll wear a hoodie. Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe? Oh my gosh, this tag must be really old, because I don't know any much people that shop at Charlotte Russe anymore. I don't shop at Charlotte Russe, so I guess Forever 21 for sure. But Charlotte Russe is closing down. I think, at least here where I am in Florida, I think they're shutting down. So Forever 21 for sure. Abercrombie or Hollister? I would say Hollister, because I do remember shopping at Hollister a couple of times, but I don't think I've ever even shopped at Abercrombie. I don't think I've ever even been in Abercrombie's, and I don't have the desire to either, so probably Hollister. Saks Fifth or Nordstrom? Definitely Nordstrom. There used to be a Nordstrom rack that I used to be obsessed with in Missouri when I was there, because of the shoes, really, and you get them for a good deal. Not to say I don't like the regular Nordstrom, but that Nordstrom's really good. The next section is hair, and the first question is curly or straight. Of course curly, because I have curly hair and I love my curly hair. I don't really straighten my hair at all. Like, if I straighten my hair, it might be like once a year. So curly. Bun or ponytail? Definitely a bun. I don't know why I don't really like ponytails, but I definitely always like, if I put my hair up, it's definitely always going to be in a bun. Whether it be a high bun or a low bun, it's always going to be a bun. Bobby pins or butterfly clips? Definitely bobby pins. I have enough bobby pins to supply the whole neighborhood. I guess because I'm always losing them. It seems like I only use the bobby pin once and then it just gets lost. But definitely bobby pins. Hairspray or gel? Definitely gel. I only use hairspray to kind of like lay down my baby hairs and to make them stay there. But other than that, yeah, I only use gel. I use gel to actually put my hair up and everything else, and of course I use gel during my wash and goes. So definitely gel. Can't live without the gel. Long or short? While it is in some way easier to manage short hair, I guess because there's less products, you have your products longer, it's less work, it doesn't take as long, I do prefer long hair. Only because, I don't know, I just prefer long hair. I've had long hair most of my life. So yeah, I just prefer long hair. Light or dark? Dark, I guess, because I've never actually really dyed my hair a light color because I'm scared to dye my hair. The one time I did like bite the bullet and like dye my hair, it was like a burgundy color and it was really dark. It was like a dark burgundy color, but that's the only time I colored my hair. So I've never actually dyed my hair like a light color. And so any of that little color that you guys see on the ends of my hair is actually the burgundy, like just washed out, I guess, and still there, and it just ended up turning into this like lighter brown color. So that I didn't dye my hair like light brown, it's just how the burgundy ended up. Side swept bangs or full bangs? I actually don't have bangs and I don't like bangs, but when I wear my hair straight, I did have side swept bangs that I only liked for a month. After a month I was so over it and I just grew it out and never even really wore them out. So I don't like bangs, but if I had to choose, it would probably be side swept bangs. Well, no, if I had to choose now, like with curly hair, I'd probably pick full bangs. I think it'll be cute. Well, at least it's cute on other people. Up or down? I prefer my hair to be down only because it takes so long for me to put my hair up. Okay, so next we're going to head into the random section. These are the last like 5 questions just to end it off. The first question is rain or shine. Of course I like shine better. During the nighttime, I don't mind rain at night, like when I'm in bed, but like during the day, it kind of makes me feel more lazy. So at night, I love the rain, as long as it's not thundering and lightning, because I don't like thunder and lightning. But I do love like a great downpour at night when I'm sleeping. Summer or winter? Definitely summer-ish. Like in Missouri, definitely, when I lived in Missouri, I definitely prefer summer. But in Florida, yeah, I guess I prefer summer too. I'm more of a spring girl because it's not too hot and it's not too cold. Chocolate or vanilla? Definitely vanilla. If anybody knows me, they know I don't like chocolate like that. It's not to say that I don't like chocolate, because I like chocolate. I just don't eat it like that. So I'd rather have vanilla things than chocolate. If somebody was like, oh, here's a chocolate bar, here's like vanilla ice cream, I'd choose vanilla ice cream. Fall or spring? Oh, here you go. Fall or spring? I prefer spring. East Coast or West Coast? I've only really lived in the East Coast. I lived in the Midwest, but yeah, I lived in the East Coast most of my life, so I'm going to definitely choose East Coast. I've never really been in the West Coast. Like West Coast, I think California, and I've never actually been to California, so I have no like opinions on the West Coast. So that's it for this tag. I will tag the Nikkie Tutorials video down below, so that way you can see her this or that tag. And I am interested to know, all of you guys, like, where do we differ? Like, do you like winter better than the summer? Do you like fall better than spring? Do you prefer to wear your hair up than down? Let me know down in the comments, just so we can have a conversation. I would love to get to know you guys. And I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Bye!